Hello everyone, Christy here. This tutorial is all about making a website easy. We're cutting out all the techno babble and the confusing coding. Get ready, because in a matter of minutes, we're going to teach you how to make an awesome and effective website.
Alright guys, here's what it would cost you to have a professional build your website. It's going to run you in the ballpark between $500 and $2,500. That's for your basic website. Does not include hosting. The secret they don't want you to know is that you can actually have a superior website built for under $20 by the time you finish this video. 4 simple steps, guys. Get a domain name. That's simply the URL that comes after the www. Purchase your hosting. That's what's going to make it live on the internet. Install WordPress and select a theme. The do-it-yourself cost is between $12 to $15 for your domain name. That's going to last you the whole year, not just monthly. And a single penny for your first month of hosting with this awesome code we found, and just $7.95 a month after that. Can't beat that deal. It's pretty awesome. Here we're at Hostgator.com. Below this video I'll also include a link to it along with the awesome coupon code I told you about. So to get started, we're going to click View Web Hosting Plans. For most of us, the single domain hatchling plan is the perfect plan. If you're planning on having more than one site, you might want to consider doing the baby plan. But for this video, we're going to stick with the hatchling plan. We're going to go down to monthly, $7.16 a month. Now don't worry, that's not what you're going to pay. You've got that awesome coupon code. For those of you who want a steeper discount, you can lock yourself into a plan for 1, 2, or 3 years and bring the cost down as well. I'm going to click on the monthly $7.16 order now. We're going to start by selecting what domain name we would like, something short, easy to remember. I already selected mine and reserved it prior to making this video, but I will enter something in just as an example. Remarketing now. It is indeed available, and it'll tell you the cost for the entire year, which in this instance is $12.95. I strongly recommend you stick with .coms. If yours is not available, do not go over to .net, org, info, or biz, because essentially most people when typing out a website think .com, so you're just going to be sending them to your competitors, and you really don't want to do that. Scroll down here. And you see the coupon code Snappy in here. That is not the coupon we want to use. That's not going to give us the same discount and give us our first month of hosting for a penny. So we're going to take that one out and type in our code penny right now. And we're going to click validate and see if it takes it. Go down here. In this instance, it did work. However, if it does not work, copy that. Go up to the URL at the top, see where it says Snappy 1 right here. We're just going to delete that part and actually enter penny right now there and click enter. Okay, so it's going to want me to re-enter my domain name, marketing. Alright. Now we're going to scroll down here and come up with your username, enter in all your information, email. You can pay by PayPal or credit card. But before you finish up, I recommend you uncheck these boxes. They're just not worth the money. So we don't need the domain privacy protection or site lock. So just uncheck those boxes. Scroll down and look at your bill. It should say the 24/7 live chat email support is free. Instant account activation free. Not all hosting plans give this for free. Sometimes there's a $60 or more fee. So this is pretty awesome that HostGator offers that for free. You got your money back guarantee, hosting hatchling plan, package. We did the 1-month cycle for $8.95 a month. The coupon credit, yours should say penny right now and give you that discount. If it does not say that, try validating it again or entering at the top left in the URL. Domain registration, that's $12.95 for the whole year, not just for the month. No setup price. Your total due right here should be around this amount, $12.96 for your first month of hosting, an entire year of domain name. That is the best deal out there that I have seen. So check your I've read and agreed to the terms and create your account. Hostgator should have sent you an email, something like this. You may receive it right away, other times it takes a few minutes, so just be patient, guys. This has your control panel information. You're going to click on that, and it's got your username as well as your password. This is a very important email, guys. Don't lose it. Here's a screen you should see for logging into your cPanel. Enter in your username and password. Log in. I'm good, thanks. Scroll down, and under Software Services, we're going to click Quick Install. Now, I've actually already got WordPress installed, but I'm still going to walk you through the process. Over here on the left-hand side, we're going to click WordPress, Continue. Now, you don't want to enter anything in here. I'm just going to do this for an example. Like I said, I already have WordPress installed, so I'm just going to add another page to it, install WordPress. And I'm going to do that information. Install now. And you'll see that goes pretty darn quick. Congratulations, your installation is ready. Here's your admin panel now, and don't lose this password. So you got your username, copy that password, and we'll go to the admin panel. In a new tab, enter in your username, that password you were just given, and click log in. Alright guys, congratulations. You are now in your admin panel for the first time. So I'm going to show you how to install the theme for your site to get it ready. We're going to go over here on the left under Appearance and click on Themes. Install Themes and look under Featured or do a search, and you will find a number of free themes that you can choose from. Now there's one in particular I'd like to show you that's on another site, and it is free. This is one of my favorite themes. It's on the website webdesigntunes.com. It's called Responsive Theme. It's got a real simplistic, crisp look to it. It's easy on the eyes. You can view it on your iPhone, desktop, or tablet, and depending on the size of the screen, the layout of the website will change for your convenience. You've got your 3 widgets here at the bottom, your social media icons. It's just a great website whether you want to use it for business or personal. I do have a living, working example of it. Actually, it's a site we run, helpineedasite.com. On this website, we actually teach you. We've got both video, we've got audio, and text teaching you how to create an amazing website. So if you have any other questions and you need further tutorials that isn't covered here, by all means visit this site. We're back at webdesigntunes.com. We're going down to the bottom here where it says download now. Click that. Download version. Alright. I'm going to save the file. Okay, so it looks like it downloaded successfully. Let's go back to our website. Now that you've finished downloading the theme, I need you to go back to your website, click the tab Install Themes. We're going to click Upload, Browse, go to wherever it was that you saved your theme. See, we got ours here. It's called Responsive. Click Install Now. It's unpacking, installing. It says theme installed successfully. We're going to click Activate. Now you have the option of visiting the site. It's not all set up, so here's what it's going to look like. The basic. You've got all your placeholders here. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to Users, select your profile. You're going to enter all your information in, including a valid email address. Scroll to the bottom. This is the most important part here. I want you to select a password with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters as well as numbers. There's a lot of hackers out there that could do some nasty things to your site, so let's avoid this by entering a really good password in. Once you're done with that, select Update Profile. Now we're going to go to your settings, permalinks, and I want you to change from default to post name. This is going to boost your SEO abilities. Very important here. Now we're going to set up some pages. Click Add New. I'm going to enter home. Right now we don't need to enter the content. It's just important that we have enough pages up there. So get a few out there. Here's what I have listed. Your About Us page, Contact, Home, Links, My Services. Those are good ones to start out with. Then we're going to go to Appearance, Menus. You're going to come up with a menu name. I'm just going to call it Main for Main Menu. Create Menu. And over here you're going to see your pages. But before you do that, I want you to go over to Theme Locations, scroll down to the name of it, and do both Top Menu and Header Menu. Save. Now I would like to select all of these pages here under the Pages category. Click Add to Menu. You can move these around any way you like, just drag and drop. That's the order I'd like. On the right hand side, click Save Menu. And you're done, guys. Now you can go over, right click to visit site. If your changes don't pop up right away, just select refresh and you'll see them. That's it, guys. Easy as that. Check helpineedasite.com for more tutorials on building, editing, and enhancing your website. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.